Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get wall breakers in Clash of Clans. To begin, you'll need to reach Town Hall level 5. Once your Town Hall is upgraded, you can then build and upgrade your barracks. Wall breakers are trained exclusively in the barracks, costing elixir for each unit. They are essential for breaking through enemy defenses, so getting them early is a huge advantage for your attacks. After unlocking wall breakers, focus on upgrading your barracks to access higher levels of this explosive unit. Each wall breaker occupies 2 housing space in your army camps, so plan your army composition carefully. Their training time is relatively quick, allowing you to rapidly replenish your forces after battles. Remember, a well-timed wall breaker deployment can make or break your attack strategy, clearing the path for your other troops. For maximum impact, deploy wall breakers strategically. They are designed to target walls, creating crucial openings for your ground troops. It's often best to deploy them in small groups of 2 or 3 to ensure they successfully breach the desired wall segment, especially against higher-level walls. Pair them with tanking troops like giants or golems to draw defensive fire, allowing your wall breakers to do their job safely and efficiently. In summary, wall breakers are an indispensable unit for any ground attack strategy in Clash of Clans. Mastering their deployment timing and understanding their wall targeting mechanics will significantly improve your raid success. Always keep your barracks busy training them, ensuring you have a consistent supply for your battles. With careful planning and execution, these explosive units will help you conquer even the toughest enemy bases with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.